Hey guys, if you wanted to know how much is the Smile Direct Club, okay, this is what you receive and these are the prices. If you choose your payment now, you save $100. Lowest price, easy one-time payment, $18.50. Custom aligner shipped to you. Bright On Premium Teeth Whitening. Or you can Smile Pay, $85 a month for 24 months with $250 down payment. No credit check, convenient monthly payment, custom alignment shipped to you, Bright On Premium Teeth. You have to wear 22 hours a day to get your new smile in an average 4 to 6 months. If you want to add a retainer, it's $99. So basically you complete this form, you'll send it in with your package, and 4 to 6 weeks, so 4 weeks, they will ship out your aligners. So 4 weeks. So I'm gonna say 4 to 6 just in case. That is the price. If you have any questions, comment below, like and subscribe.